In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add borders to pictures. Now, there's two ways that you can actually do this. The first way is by adding a white line to the outside of a picture, and the second way is by utilizing frames. So, let me go ahead and show you both of these ways. So first off, we're going to need a picture. Let's go and use this one just here. Now let's just make this a little bit smaller like that. And with this one, we're going to add a white line. So what we want to do is come up to Edit Photo just here, come down to the effects which are just here and click on Shadows. Now for this, we're going to use Glow. We're going to change this to white or whichever color that you want to use, like so. We're then going to turn the blur amount all of the way down, and then we're going to turn the intensity all of the way up. And now, as you can see, we have a border round the outside of this picture. Now to make this bigger, we can use the size feature just here, just like that. So that's the first way that we can add a border to a picture here in Canva. Now the second way is by utilizing frames. So let's come back over to Elements. We're now going to search Frames, like so. It's going to be this first one just here, where we have this little heart icon. We're going to click on there. Then we have all of these different frames which we can choose from. Now if we go into Basic, we can click on this first one just here, and then we're going to add a border to this frame by coming up here to where it says Border Style. We can click on there. We can choose which type we want. So we're going to use this first one. We can change that border weight, which is the thickness, like so. We can do corner rounding to make those corners a little bit more rounder, and we can change the color to whichever we want. Now, with this frame, we can go back to our picture. We can then put that in the frame. If we double click on that picture as well, we can crop the picture to where we want. For this example, let's have it there. Let's click Done. And now we also have a border round this one as well. So that's two separate ways on how to add borders to pictures here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.